Hello friends, today we are going to learn one of the activity which is called as a live English activity. We all know English is not something like a textbook. We see English only in textbook. It is not like a classroom study. We use English for many purposes in our day-to-day life. We read English in a newspaper. We read some different hoardings in English. So like that, we use that English in many forms, many applications. So here we have one of the specimen copy of application for library membership. So we are going to learn how to fill up that application in English. So look, let's start. When we see such kind of application form, we see, look, first field is name. It is related to our name, but in bracket there are some instructions, and these instructions are very important. First of all, we see block letters. We must know the meaning of that instruction. Block means capital letter. So we have to write. Look at the next bracket, that is last name. Last name means it is our surname. We have to write down our surname, but don't forget we write it in a block letters, means we have to write all the capital letters. So first of all, see our last name. So I just write down my name here. My last name is Radi, so that's why like that. Then after that, first name. First name is, we must write down our name. So I write my name here. Most of the time, if we never pay attention on that brackets, then we don't have any idea, and maybe sometime we begin our name from our first name, and there will be mistakes. So that's why be careful while filling such kind of forms. Then middle name means we have to write down the name of our father. So look, now I completed my first field here. Don't forget while writing our name all the instructions. Then look, for example, there is the our educational qualifications for the class. As we know that it is the application for library membership, that means some students can fill that form. So that's my class. Suppose I am in the 10th standard, so you have to write down only numeric rank. Which division? We always know that it will be A or B or C division. So that's why, for example, I write down here class 10th division A, and then roll number. Then roll number, maybe my roll number will be 4. So that's why if you understand the meaning of these fields, then you can easily fill up all the forms. So that's why it is very important, it is necessary to know all the instructions given in the bracket, and at the same time the meaning of that fields. Look, then date of birth, but under that squares you have to see these letters. So first of all, we see here that that D means day. It stands for the day. That means you have to write down the actual date. So maybe my birthday, it is 20th of December 1978. So that's why then here that M stands for the month. So I know that month means my birth that is in December. So that's why 12 and here year, that why suggest us year. So like that. Then gender. All the boys should tick in male. All the ladies should tick in female. So I have to tick here. Look at that. In this way, if you understand all the meanings of this DD, MM, and YY, you can easily fill up that field. Then address. So you have to write down once again at post a name, taluka, Junnar, district, Pune. Then look at here the last one, pin code 412410. Look at the next one, our second last point, name of the guardian. Guardian means the persons who take care of us. You must fill it. The name of our guardian, that means our father name. So you have to write down once again in a block letters. Here we never see such instructions given here. So that's why it depends on you. You can use it, use as a capital letter or small letters. So I just write down my father name in the small letters also. And the last one topic is here, our phone number. Suppose look, when we write down our phone numbers, we know that our mobile numbers have 10 digits. So that's why it is our responsibility to write down only 10 digits. And the last one, email. So I just write down my mail here. sandeepdarade@gmail.com. You also know that how do we write that. So that's why you must learn how to write the address of your email. So in this way we can fill up all the application form. So that's why here is one of the example. You must see it. Thank you.